Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nida. So today we learn about the concept of bridge. Bridge is basically a technique for combining multiple router ports on a proxy into one network segment. To bridging, make client with different network called connect. That's only if still in one segment or one bridge. Interface bridge are Ethernet, wireless HP, FLAN, EOP, and PPTP. Bridge concept is combining two or more interfaces with the type Ethernet. Like in one network segment, bridge is called running to wireless network 2. Bridge is a virtual interface. Okay, so in here, I'm going to use this topology. Router has IP address 28.28.28.1 with /24. And also in here, I'm going to use 4 client. Client 1 connected with Ether 1, client 2 connected with Ether 2, client 3 connected with Ether 3, and last client 4 connected with Ether 4. But because in the real device only have one laptop, so I will move LAN cable to other port. First, open Winbox. Login using MAC address with the username is admin without password and then click connect. Click new terminal. First, we do checking two interfaces that we use using command interface print and then click enter. Okay, so in here, Ether 1 until Ether 4. Okay, so in here, I'm gonna do bridging with Ether 1 until Ether 4. Okay, so first, I'm gonna make interface bridge using command interface, then bridge, and then add name. In here, I'm gonna using name bridge 01, and I click enter. Then do checking using command interface, and then bridge, and then print. Click enter. Okay, so in here, we can see that we successfully create bridge 01 with the flex is running. Other than that, we could do checking using command interface print and then click enter. In here, we could see that we successfully create interface bridge virtual. Then we adding port bridge using command interface and then bridge port add interface. First, I'm gonna adding interface at 1 to bridge 01 and then click enter. Okay, when we do remoting using Ether 1 or the other router using Winbox, so Winbox will automatically reconnect. And then click reconnect. Okay, and then we adding bridge port using Ether 2 with the command interface and then bridge and then port and then add interface Ether 2 with bridge using bridge 01. Then click enter. And then we adding interface Ether 3 to bridge port using command interface and then bridge port and add and then interface Ether Ether 3 and then using bridge 01. Then click enter. And then we adding interface Ether 4 to bridge port using command interface and then bridge port and then add interface Ether 4 using bridge 01. Then click enter. And then do checking using command interface, then bridge, then port, and then print. Okay, so in here, we could see that we successfully make interface bridge port with the flex it's 8 or HW offload. And in Ether 2 until Ether 4, the flex is A or inactive because in here, Ether, because in here Ethernet has not been connected with client. And then we do checking interface using command interface print, and then click enter. Okay, if we doing configuration bridge, so the status is as or slave. That means Ethernet has been connected to bridge. And then we're doing configuration IP address using interface bridge. And then type IP address. Then add address. In here, I'm gonna use IP address 28.28.28.1/24 with the interface using interface bridge. And then click enter. And then do checking using command IP and then address. And then print. And then click enter. So in here, we could see that we successfully create IP address with the interface is bridge 01. Okay. And then click open network and internet setting. Click change other options. Click Ethernet and then properties. And then click Internet Protocol version 4 properties. Okay, so first, before we do checking to Ethernet, we should configuration IP static to client. Make sure IP address that we use using one network with router with the subnet max is /24 and default gateway using IP address router. And then click OK. Close, close, close. Okay, so first, in here, I'm gonna do checking using interface ether1. Okay, in here the status is RS or running slave. Then open CMD, do ping to IP router using ping 28.28.28.1 and then click enter. In here, we could see the result is replay. That means client has been connected with router. And then moving port to Ether2. Okay, and then click reconnect. Then do checking using command interface print. Then click enter. Okay, so in here we could see the flags of Ether2 is RS or running slave. Okay. And then do ping to IP router using command ping 28.28.28.1 and then click enter. And we could see this, the result is replay. That means client has been connected with router 2. And then moving LAN cable to Ether 3. Click reconnect. And then do checking the interface using command interface print. And click enter. So in here we could see the flags of Ether3 is RS or running slave. And then do checking to CMD using command ping 28.28.28.1 and then click enter. So in here we could see the status is, so in here we could see the result is replay. That means client has been connected with router. And then moving LAN cable to Ether4. Wait for a while. We reconnect. And then we doing checking to interface using interface and then print. Okay, so in here we could see the flags of Ether4 is RS or running slave, and then click CMD, do checking using ping 28.28.28.1 and then click enter. Okay, so in here we could see the result is replay. That means client has been connected with router 2. Okay, so I think that's enough. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.